Do you have 15 minutes? Because that's all you need. Welcome to Hands-On Family. I'm Miss Amanda and I am so glad to have you here today. Today we're going to talk about what happens when you have no motivation and you're feeling stressed out and your house is a mess and you're feeling overwhelmed and you just don't know where to start. We're going to talk about just taking 15 minutes, picking that most troublesome area. That area that stresses you out, that makes you not want to be in your house or not want to walk into your house after a long day at work. That's the area where you want to start. You just want to set a timer for 15 minutes and tackle one surface in that area. Or if you can do the whole area in 15 minutes, then that's great. But you just want to worry about like one small area. So if it's your entryway, maybe you want to take and you want to hang and fix all the coats. And then you want to put all the shoes away and you just want to wipe down the bench that you sit on when you walk into the house. Whatever it might be, you just need to take 15 minutes to do it. So the challenge this week is that I challenge you to pick just one area that you can tackle in 15 minutes. It doesn't have to be anything big or exciting, just something that's stressing you out, whether it's a bathroom counter, it's the entryway, it's the kitchen counter, it's by the TV, it's a bookshelf, whatever it is, just tackle that one thing. And then I want you to come back into the comments. I want you to tell me, 1, what area you tackled, and 2, how you felt after. Pick something that you can do in 15 minutes. Race yourself, reward yourself, do something that you enjoy afterwards, and show yourself that you can do something. If you don't feel like doing it, then that's even better to get yourself up. If you can only start with 5 minutes, then set a timer for 5 minutes and do something for 5 minutes. I look forward to reading in the comments what it is that you chose to do and how you felt after doing it, and if it helps you to do even more. I will see you next time. Bye.